Thank you, Rabbi Ben-Shlush and President Solom, for giving me the opportunity to speak tonight. As John Poland, Hirsch's father, said just a few weeks ago at the DNC, in a competition of pain, there are no winners. When I heard the news after Shabbat, I felt sick, crushed, devastated, and absolutely defeated. Since October 7th, it has felt like we've been on a losing streak. So many beautiful, precious lives stolen, families broken, our sense of security and confidence lost in Israel and around the world. We've cried, prayed, and mourned. We faced realities we never dreamt we would experience in our lifetimes. And yet, our sorrow grows deeper and deeper with each blow. How is it possible to win when we've already lost so much? After learning that Hirsch was murdered along with Ori, Carmel, Alex, Almog, and Eden, Zichronam Livracha, I spent the night watching clips of his incredible mom, Rachel Goldberg-Polin. Ironically, it's I, sitting in the comfort of my own home, with my boys sleeping peacefully in their beds, that have drawn strength and comfort from a mother whose suffering none of us should ever know. I wondered, what will she say now that she is the biggest loser in the competition of pain, now that she knows Hirsch was alive just hours ago, and that his rescuers were just feet away. The strength she emanated over the past 330 days could only have come from the hope she had, and now that hope was gone. When I finally watched Hirsch's funeral, I again found myself comforted, uplifted, and strengthened by the spirit of this amazing woman. In her sorrow and through her tears, Rachel's voice was strong as she thanked Hashem for blessing her with being Hirsch's mom, as she apologized for her shortcomings, and as she blessed Hirsch on his journey to Olam Haba, finally free. This past Shabbat, Rabbi Yehuda Gabai, head of school at NYHS, gave the sermon at SBH. He talked about the month of Elul being a gift, a time for us to strengthen our connection to Hashem, for us to show our love and feel Hashem's love in return. Last year, when Rabbi Gabai spoke at SBH for the first time, he said something that I'll never forget. The word chacham, wise person, stands for chatzi kos maleh. A wise person always sees the glass as half full. It seems contradictory that a person in excruciating, unbearable pain would be the one to give others around them strength. But this is the Jewish spirit. The more broken we are, the stronger we become. Rachel never lost hope, and when it seemed like all hope was lost, she was able to find the light and channel her love. In these dark times, we must always find the light, and tonight it is here in this room as we unite in sorrow, love, and hope.